How is very Italian?
Alex Pretti.
Mr. Pretti.
It's actually not too bad. The only thing is that in Italian, every letter has a specific sound in most cases. So if you don't have an E, which in Italian is pronounced E, you can't say peretti. It has to be pr, P-R, pr. Also, like every double consonant, if you have a double T, you need to take a small break before you say the sounds and prolong the sound itself. So, pretti. Don't forget Pretti. Don't forget Pretti. Also, while we are talking about surnames, how is their German?
Let's talk about Epstein. Okay.
Jeffrey Epstein.
Speak about the Jeffrey Epstein.
That's really not very good. In German, the letters I, E together make the sound E, whereas the letters E, I make the sound I. If you want to remember more easily, think of the word, files. Files, Epstein. Epstein, files. Don't forget Epstein, files. Don't forget Pretti. Don't forget Epstein, files.